I'm building this kit because in 1965 I ordered a 1965 Mustang convertible just like this one right out of the factory. It was even this exact same color. It was one of my two favorite cars, the other being a 1951 Ford that saw me through part of high school and all of college. Could the Mustang have been better than my first car? Tough to say. The Mustang lasted me about 10 years, a lot of miles and a lot of fun. Here's my Mustang posing in the Grand Canyon in the winter of 1969. Here it is with my other favorite toy of the mid and late 1960s. This kit was special in that it came with a tube of glue, the old tubes.
The kit is 1/24 scale, and it comes with plastic glue and paint. And here's the tube of glue. Here's some information about the 64 or 5 Mustang. This supposedly has a 289 cubic inch engine, the same as mine did. Here's the other side of the box.
Here's a layout of the plastic parts. Step 1 was to begin the engine assembly. The assembly of the engine continues in Step 1A. The result is a fairly complete engine and manifold assembly missing a few accessories. In Step 2 and 2A, we paint and assemble the chassis details. Here is a view of that assembly later in the build. In Step 3A and B, we paint and install the interior details and the dashboard assembly.
Here's the interior portion of the car assembled.
Step 4, we install this interior into the main body plastic.
It's time to install the two major sub-assemblies. This one goes on this one. Now we test my skill as a wheelwright,
as shown in Step 5. We add these wheels to the frame assembly and the frame assembly to the body assembly in Step 6. In Step 7, we add more details to the engine compartment. In Steps 8 and 9, we install the front and rear chrome details. Step 10, we install the decals, which are minimal, and paint the few chrome pieces.
So the last major part to be installed, I believe, is the cover for the top for a top-down version.
Here's the finished Ford Mustang. Thanks for watching. Give me a like and consider subscribing.